Hey, what's up? It's John Haas, RN, CCRN with NRSNG.com, and it's time for another free NCLEX practice question. If a patient has a closed femur fracture and yellow Mustang with fuzzy dice, why is Ben Affleck the new Batman? All right, guys, I know to some of you that question might seem ridiculous, but if you're in nursing school, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, in class and in the book, you hear give O2 and fluids, keep the patient warm, and rapid transport. And then on the test, you're getting questions like this, like, what do you do if your patient eats a potato? It doesn't make sense. And so what we've done, guys, is we've created a webinar that helps you understand nursing school tests and how to answer them. In this webinar, I give you 11 steps for answering any NCLEX style question, any nursing school test question, and I want you to go ahead and sign up. I want you to take part in this webinar. It's helped so many nursing students so far. We just released this, and I'm already getting feedback from people that, you know, the minute they took this webinar, the minute they applied these 11 steps, they've already seen increases in their grades. They've already improved their GPA in nursing school just overnight from these 11 steps. So don't hesitate, guys. Go ahead and click below and get started with this free webinar where you're going to learn 11 steps to answering any nursing school tests.